lost my mind. There was something so pleasant about that place. Even your emotions have an echo in so much space. And when you're out there without care, yeah, I was out of touch. But it wasn't because I didn't know enough. I just knew too much. Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Possibly. Come on now, who do you think you are? Ha ha ha, bless your soul. Really think you're in control? I think you're crazy. I think you're crazy. And I think you're crazy, just like me. Ever since I was little, it looked like fun. And it's no coincidence I cried. Laughing down when I'm done. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe you're crazy. Maybe we're crazy.